It's a lot more loose than Pinky's. They got two different.
Take it home. Yes.
Okay. He done got it, y'all. What kind of score he get, man?
Bro, what's the same thing I just said?
Don't tell me he got a negative 18.
Yeah, he got the same score as the previous class.
He got a negative 18, y'all. I ain't doing this thing. Let me go get, hold on, man, before you start, let me get a charge. Oh, that charge all the way at the car. Damn, that's full. Okay, y'all.
You need me to hold it, or you need to go get anything?
I'm finna go get it right now.
Alright.
I got one. I'm finna get it. Yeah. I'm finna get right to it. Hey, y'all. The judge is rigged. Oh, man. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this phone plugged up. One time for the one time. Ah. Right here. Yeah. I mean, charging 8%.
Hey, you need this?
No, I'm good. I just got one.
Alright, cool.
Appreciate it, man. I'm ready now. This ain't gonna do nothing. I mean, huh? No, sir.
I saw the medical head on your windshield.
What?
Ain't you in that white car over there?
Yeah.
There's a medical head in the back.
Man, I don't be paying no attention.
I'm a
I just be.
too.
Oh, you be cutting her? Oh. And when Gavin gonna make a shakedown? Yeah. Talking about he the best driver or something. He up there in rank. Let me go see.
Are we charging now? You ready?
Yeah, I'm charging. I'm ready for.
Okay.
All right now, Pro Tree now.
All right, guys ready? Watch the light.
Oh.
Do you think he's gonna run, chat?
What y'all think this one gonna run?
If it finishes.
I give him a -2.
That's a lot of room for error in there. That's a gate and a bunch of reverses.
Oh, that's a gate and a bunch of reverses. I think he
about
gonna need 3 reverses. Cause man, when you get up here to that, I'm gonna see something in just a few. When he get to Pinky Crevice, that's what's gonna let me know if he got something. Usually everybody need a reverse right there or something. Let me see if he got something special. I see one of his tactics. He just think he could just go slow and creep up, catch a little grip. His tires do got a little grip on them. He done made it to the next progress. Okay, Twisted Soul said he getting a -14. Okay. I think this that part I was talking about.
Yeah, this could be the first reverse right there. Yeah.
He can't get it to grip. Got that nose guard in the front. Ooh, if he can get that wheel to grip. I see him trying to. Ah, I didn't catch a contact like he wanted.
Another one.
Another one. Oh, he did it.
Seconds in.
That's what he needed. I told you they're gonna need 2 reverses. Ooh, come on, baby.
You don't want to take the reverse because you're in position. You fall all the way out. 2 minutes, 26 seconds.
Whew. What are you doing?
He still hasn't cleared it, so he's going around. He didn't want to take a reverse, so instead he came down the rock and he's trying from a different angle to get through that.
A reverse just would have been 1 point, right?
Correct. But it's again, it's every person's choice.
Yeah.
Because I mean the car. See now he's got a no, there we go. And he's doing all this to avoid it, but at the same time he's at 3 minutes. So he's going to have 2 minutes left after he gets through this to finish.
Yeah.
Straight out to finish it. No point.
If he doesn't finish, it's 44 points automatically, minus whatever progress he makes. Dude, no, show that on here.
Yeah, reverse.
Got it. Check that score out.
13, 13.
Today, I've never seen scoring like this today, where it's just working out like this.
Dang, it look rigged, y'all.
Is that the same reverse or a new one?
Funkertown would have said it's rigged. It was set up.
Because there's no pre-run. Hey, he finally got it.
Okay. So it might have been all working.
There's no pre-run. You don't.
Oh, you can't make no shakedown?
No, there is no takedown.
Ah.
You only get one chance.
You just gotta come straight off the trailer.
Gotta come straight off the trailer. Exactly.
God dang.
You gotta come straight off the trailer. There's no pre-running. The one thing you are allowed to do is you can drive on the rocks.
Yeah.
Around the courses.
Yeah.
But you can't drive the course itself. No.
Ah, man. So they gotta come straight out the car, y'all, and just come straight on the
And
track.
that's one of the reasons too why we always draw chips for driver order to start the day.
Oh,
Because
okay.
sometimes people want to hang back and they want to watch everybody else go.
Yeah.
To see all the possible lines that open up. So
See me, I want to go first.
I
That
like
way,
to. I like to go
that
first
way,
too.
I'd be the one who move all the rocks